My name is Mr. Kilner. Thanks for joining us at WWF, World Wildlife Federation. We're so excited to have the students of the UCL Academy here to help us out. We have such a great idea and such a really big question for you. All right, we've heard that you're really, really innovative, and we would like your help in designing and creating a future city, a sustainable future city, a future city that helps us with our well-being and our general way of life. And we're very excited to hear you. So here's your question. This is the question we pose to you from the WWF. Okay, how can we integrate technology developments in sustainable energy into the city of the future to further improve our way of life? We're very excited at WWF to tackle this. You know, we've done a few documentaries related to this, and I'll go through that in a second. But first of all, I want you to meet the team that you're going to be working with throughout your entire project with us.
Hello, Choo Choo, how are you?
Hey there, guys. Working for WWF is amazing. Yay! Hello. I don't know.
So that's the team. What a great, exciting place to be. There's so many creative people here at WWF. Really excited to see what you come up with. Now, the documentary you should really check out, or at least the trailer, is The Urban Green. The Urban Green shows what cities are doing at the moment, all right, to actually try and tackle sustainability and try to become more green. It's so exciting for us. We were so excited to be a part of that project. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to my office, all right, and we're going to go through the 3-4 week project that we have planned for you to help us and to help you present and to gain loads of skills, your work and your ideas for a future city that is sustainable and helps the environment and helps people. Now come with me, let's go to my office. Right, welcome to my office. You excited? Excellent, good, right. Okay, so this is the 3-week project that we were talking about before. Right, it's great. We've got people like Kermit the Frog on board. I can't believe it. Okay, so there's our driving question right at the top. Okay, it says, how can we integrate technology development in sustainable energy into the city of the future to further our way of life? So it's all about the person and future cities and what we're doing at the moment and what we're going to do. Now, as you can see, on the bottom of the page, you have some ICANN statements. They're sort of around here. Okay, and they're broken down into 5 categories: problem solving, ideas development, visual representation, engineering and computer science skills, because you're going to do loads of those, and testing and evaluating. Now, each of those are a criteria that you will have to meet throughout the project, and you'll see as we go along. Okay, so as we go on to the second slide, what I want you to do is to have a look at the top of every week page. So week 1 is exploring your project, understanding renewable energy, and developing your website building skills. So we're going to be asking you to record all of your findings, all of your research, all of your designs, your creations, anything you come up with into one website, okay, using CSS as a foundation. So learning about styling your websites with our computer science team. So this one's about watching a video, understanding the techniques, putting down what you understand in mind maps. Okay, in your own words, explain what non-renewable energy is. So it's calculating and capturing your current knowledge. And we want to know what that is at WWF. We want to know what you know. Okay, so then we have a focus study that we'd like you to do. And this is based around an island we came up with based on your school. We've come up with the UCL Academy Island. And what we want you to do is to have a look at this island. We want you to choose a plot of land, 1 to 5. And we want you to choose a type of energy: wind energy, geothermal energy, hydroelectric energy, solar energy. And we want you to tell us which one would be suitable to power a city on this land. So let's have a quick look. As you can see, you've got loads of different options, loads of information. And there is the UCL Academy Island. Okay, the UCL Academy Island is here. On your work, there'll be an even bigger document so you can see it nice and big. Now you need to choose a plot of land. Which type of energy would be suitable there? Add your information. Then you're going to be developing your CSS and HTML skills further. You're building on from what you did in Foundation, which is brilliant. So your teachers have told us a lot here at WWF. We're so excited about seeing what you can do. Okay, so have a look through. Then week 2, how does renewable energy work? Capturing your experiments on your site, looking at videos, and doing a practical, making a miniature wind turbine out of whatever you have available. Pencil, cardboard, paper, anything. Recycle some of your material that we're throwing away for general waste. See if you can come up with your own wind turbine. And there's some videos on this page to help you as well. And this one's a little bit harder. Look, making your own hydro-powered mechanism. Oh my God, so you're using water, okay, to literally create something that moves using recycled material. How amazing. Okay, then you're building your CSS skills even further with our computer science team. And then week 3 brings us to finalizing your website and bringing everything together. I've put some useful web links on here for some useful websites you might find interesting to see whether you can take that style and add it to your own website. How to add pages, loads of useful links, loads of global goals information. They're really important. Okay, and then something even better, right? Atlas at DC Siemens. That tells you what the global issues are and what people are using up in terms of energy across the country. You can look at London as a focus. Really cool website. Okay, and then you've got to finalize your CSS, and on this page is some useful web links and extra code from our computer science team. You could use this to make sure your work is it. Just make sure you are logging and recording and print screening everything you do. Show us your development of your work. Bring everything together. Add your final pictures here during week 3 or 4. Okay, depending on your timing, it really doesn't matter as long as by the end of the term you've managed to get all of your work on here and ready for us to see and to pitch to our partners. We're very excited and we can't wait to see what you at the UCL Academy have. And on the last page of this 3-week booklet, you literally have loads of resources, loads of videos, loads of extra links all in one place.